Part 15, the last part of transformation reflection. You will find this on page 230 in the Namibia Mathematics Grade 8 textbook, y equals mx plus c to success. Describe the reflection of plane figures. So in this case, they will give you the original figure, the object, the new figure, the image, and they will ask you to describe the transformation. So describe the single transformation that maps figure ABC into figure A prime, B prime, C prime. So this one into this one. Now, first you must determine what is the middle point. So if I count 1, 2, 3, 4, the middle will be 2. That will be the middle. That will be the line of symmetry. And that's on the y-axis. So look how I'm going to describe it. I must mention the word reflection. And I must mention the line of symmetry. So in the y-axis. So 1 mark usually in the exams you will get for reflection and 1 mark for the y-axis. So if I look at the next one, triangle A, B, C, A prime, B prime, C prime. Now, can you see there, the point of connection there? That is the line of symmetry. Now, remember, it's cutting the what axis? It's cutting the y axis, and it cuts at 2. Then the equation of that line will be y equals -2. So, it's a reflection in the line y equals -2. Okay. Let's look at an example. Stop the video, do try now 20, do number A and B, and as soon as you are finished, you can continue with the video. Try now 20. Let's start with number A. Let's first look at the figure. Describe the single transformation that maps figure ABC onto A prime, B prime, C prime. So look, A, B, C into A prime, B prime, C. So look, if I take 2 points, count the distance. 1, 2 blocks. The middle will be that there. And that will be on the x-axis. So if I must describe it, I will start and say it's a reflection. And you will usually get 1 mark for that. And then I say in the x-axis. Now, just remember, the x-axis cut the y-axis at 0. So, some students can write y equals 0. The equation of the x-axis is y equals 0. And they will also be correct. If I look at number B, now first let's just look. There's A, B, C. There's A prime, B prime, C. Now, if I must find the line in the middle there, it will be exactly there. You see in the middle there. Now that's -2, -4, and I can make it a little bit bigger that you can see. And -6. So in the middle will be -5. So if I must give a name to this line, I will say that's the line. Okay, now let's just redo. It's cutting the x-axis, so it's x equals -5. Let's just make it smaller again. So remember that blue line will be x equals -5. So we will start again and say it's a reflection. And then I will say in the line. And that will be x is equal to -5. It's cutting the x-axis, and that's why it's x equals -5. And usually you will get 2 marks for that in the Namibian examination.